Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Samsung Galaxy F15. So you have to start by opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and then click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and then scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to scroll down again and click Continue. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click Delete account. Now your account should be deleted, so let's recover it by opening Google Play Store, for example, and then click Sign In. Now you have to enter your email address and then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Now click on I agree and then click on accept. And now, as you can see, my account is recovered and parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.